Hey guys, ModelRocks321 here. Welcome back to the channel. Subscribe to the channel. If you are new, hit the thumb up button and drop a comment. Also check the links below. Support the channel any way you can. Today I just want to show you a couple of rockets that I've had just sitting around. Recently some were just sitting in kit form, and I just had to build this one here and this one here, which is Starship and the Falcon Heavy. This is my Falcon 9 with the Crew Dragon. I've flown this one a couple times on this channel. It's been kind of retired. I got it signed by Dr. Proctor. If you know, she flew on Falcon 9 launch. You know, she's doing some really good stuff out there, like as far as outreach, and just doing really good. She's a poet, artist, all this stuff. But I had this signed by her when I had a chance to meet her a while back. But today's video is mainly about these two right here. These are greater. These are actually, to me, they're improvements over the one I just showed you. I'm going to start with the Falcon Heavy. The Falcon Heavy they're all 3D printed crisp by PayKUT. Nice decals. The decals, everything's improved from the one I just showed you, in my opinion. Things just seem a little sturdier, like the landing legs. You can unfold these and they can sit on those. I just have it prepared for flight. These are the flight fins. You can take these off and have it sit on its legs. It's very cool. These all lift up. The grid fins, they all lift up. Just nice detailing. Very nice job with this kit. Here's some decal. The decals on the side. These are all water slides. Has SpaceX. Very good job. And this is a cluster. This flies on 3 24mm D or E engines. So you want outboard D12 zeros or E12 zeros, and in the middle you want like a D12.5 or a D12.7 or something like that as your core motor. But very cool kit. Flies on the launch rod will be a 316 rod. You got the hole there for you to slide it down on your launch rod. You even got a little payload section up here. This fairing, you can screw this cone off. You can put a little payload in there. Parachute and everything else is just standard, but this is a very, very good kit. Highly recommended by PayKUT. Yeah, just an overall great job. I'm just going to fly. I can't wait to fly mine. Be flying on E12s. Send it way up there. So that's what we're going to be doing. And next up is the Starship. Another nice, fantastic, super detailed, all the detailing. These, you can fold these wings in. It says fold in before flight, and you fold this one in before flight. He did a great job, like printing this thing up. And you had to build, it's a build. So I got the option to have mine already. So you saw a version that's not done with the chrome. So I got mine done with the chrome. I think it costs a little more to have it already painted, because I still want to deal with the silver and all that stuff. So I was like, okay, I'll save a few steps, even though I don't mind painting and stuff. But hey, if he's making the offer, I took advantage of it. But yeah, just the boosters down here, all the detailing, and it's pretty accurate. I mean, he really did a good job. And again, these are flight fins. These are removable, and when you take those off, you can add this ring right here. Will sit in the bottom. These are the motors. They go in the bottom. Once you take the flight fins off, take those flight fins off, you can slide this piece on, and you have a nozzle. I think I have an engine in there. Yeah, there's an engine in there right now, but because I was preparing for flight, so I just had that just hanging out in there until I get out to fly this. But yeah, Starship, really good. I chose S33 serial number. You see I had the SpaceX logo there. Just the overall great, and detailing, just all around outstanding job. The grid fins, these grid fins actually has the holes all the way through. I'm not sure if you can see that or not. See if I can get this. Yeah, it has the holes all the way through these grid fins, which is a nice touch. Just great job on these rockets by PayKUT. Super detailed. I mean, very accurate. I mean, I like it. And 3D printing is getting better. And it's still a slight little roughness to it, but I can live with that. It's very nice. It also gives it like a real look to it. I bet if you wanted, you could probably go in with some airbrush and just get a little more stuff to stand out. But to me, they are great. Like, even if you don't fly rockets, just to display, they're good. You can see you got the launch lugs on there. 316 rod again. So I cannot wait to get out and fly this. I know normally you'll get a launch video on Sundays, but today you're just getting a little show and tell. So I'm gonna do a couple of these. I have some more rockets that I worked on. I want to show you guys. So yeah, this is not to scale. It's a little astronaut there. He's not to scale though. These are massive rockets, especially the Falcon Heavy and Starship. They're both massive in real life. But yeah, so that's where we are with these guys right here. Just wanted to show you some of the latest at Model Rocks 321. And so yeah, that's where things are right now. So like I said, you can remove these fins, which is really nice. The flight fins can come off and you can have it just standing. And these legs actually fold down, similar to this right here. They can fold out and they can fold up. So imagine all those sitting out and without the flight fins, and you'd be nice on display. And I didn't, like, I could still take these off. Actually, I could take these off. They detach. I didn't glue them in place. Did I glue them? I don't think so. I can't remember. Oh, maybe I did glue them. Maybe I did glue in here and on that side. I think I did glue these in place. But if you didn't, there's an option. You can just snap them in. And maybe I didn't. Because I glued this part to the main booster. I think these can come off still and be independent. You can snap them out and snap them back into place if you chose to. But yeah, I can't remember. But anyway, just want to show you guys these guys. Part of my SpaceX rockets. Really good way if you want to get these, so you'll have the SpaceX rockets in your collection. And he has more too. He has a lot of stuff over there at Max Q. So yeah, it's Model Rocks 321. Just wanted to show you that. Before I go, check this out. And here it is, the Astron Omega, going in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Yeah, this is gonna be my worst crash ever. Ooh! So yeah, so there you have it, guys. Thank you for stopping by. Subscribe to the channel. Also, use my Estes discount code IN_321. You can use that for motors that will fly in these, because Max Q sell rockets, but he don't have motors. So use my discount code IN_321 over at estesrockets.com. Pick some stuff up, support them too, because they supply a majority of our motors and rockets and all that kind of stuff. So there you go. There you have it. Model Rocks 321, and I'm out.